name is Gabby Asensio. I'll be extracting DNA from a banana. I have my coffee filter, so salt, my alcohol that's been in the freezer, my water, my Ziploc bag, my banana, what I'll be mixing with. And this is just there. Okay. Where's we're gonna open this? Half a banana. We're gonna prepare the extraction solution. So, teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of Dawn dish soap, okay, we're going to add the extraction solution into the banana. Remove the air. And we're going to gently mix for 2 minutes. Let me set a timer. 2 minutes starting now. And while we're doing this, we can answer some questions. Oops, let's go here. The first question is, what role does the salt play in the DNA extraction process? The salt helps to neutralize the negative charges on the DNA molecules, allowing them to clump together. It also helps break down proteins that may be bound to the DNA. Why is dish soap used? The dish soap breaks down the lipid fatty membranes of the cell and nucleus, releasing the DNA to the solution. Why does DNA precipitate when the alcohol is added? DNA is not soluble in alcohol, especially cold alcohol. When the alcohol is added to the solution, the DNA precipitates, clumps together, and becomes visible when it separates. Would you expect the same amount of DNA from different fruits? Why or why not? No, different fruits have different numbers of cells and different amounts of DNA per cell. Last question. Why might this technique be useful in real-world scientific application? DNA extraction is a fundamental technique in genetics and biotechnology. It's used for forensic science, medical diagnostics, ancestry testing, and genetic engineering, and biological research. Oh, the timer's up. Stop. Okay. We're gonna add the extraction solution to the bag. We already did that. Okay, we have our coffee filter and our cup. Our want to pour this in here. Okay, I'll have to stand up for this. I'll be back once this is done. Okay, now that I have it all here, the next thing we're gonna do is carefully pour the cold alcohol, which you can see is still cold. Okay. Pour it to the side of the beaker. Okay.